Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. Thanks so much for watching. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how I shave my peach fuzz. This is just a video on showing you how I do it at home. I am not a professional. Do this at your own risk. If you are under 18, do it with adult supervision, get your parents' permission. I'm not a hairy person overall. I wanted just a nice base so when I apply my foundation or my makeup. So I started doing this probably maybe 3 years ago, I think. I got a couple requests asking to do it. So if you guys want to learn how I got this smooth baby skin face, please keep watching. So we are going to start off with a clean base, nothing on it. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see my little peach fuzz. So as you can see, I'm going to shave my eyebrows as well today. Well, around my eyebrows. I'm not going to shave my eyebrows off, guys. I do have some peach fuzz here. I'm going to try to take off a layer off my nose as well, so the blackheads could be, I guess, exposed, so I can actually use my nose strip afterwards. There's the other side of my face. So yeah, this is my face. See, close up, it's not like the best, but okay. So now that I show you guys my face and how it actually looks like close up, ew, sorry I had to do that. So I am gonna show you guys close-ups of my skin, kind of removing it. If you are disgusted by stuff like this, I suggest you exit out the video now because it is kind of gross, but it's real life. Also, this technique I'm showing you guys today, it is an actual like skincare routine. I'll put a little screen recording here so you guys can see. So people do actually do this. In my case, none of my hairs have grown back super thick or twice as thick or anything like that. It just keeps growing the same. As you guys can see here, it's called this. I can't remember, sorry guys. Look it up, get more info on it. They actually take the first layer off your skin. This is kind of close to it. You're not taking the skin. I mean, you are taking, like, I guess, this dead skin off. I mean, right now when I do it, you guys can see. Yeah, so let's get into it, guys. So I just opened a fresh new package. It looks like this. The Bio-Swiss brand. They are one blade shavers. I think these are the best shavers. I don't buy any shavers at Walmart or anything else besides, unless they are this brand. They don't tug on my hair, they don't cut me, unless I cut myself because my dumb ass. They do come with this little cover if you guys do want to take it on the go. And it says, use our stainless steel blades to perfectly shape and style your eyebrows. You can also use the stainless steel blade to trim bikini line with precision. So you can use this for not just your face. So what I like to do, I like to start off from the top down. I always do have like a wipe or something so I can wipe as I go. Okay, hopefully you guys can see me there. I'm gonna start zooming you guys in so you guys can see. There is my face. So I'm gonna start, like I said, from the top to the bottom. I'm gonna place my hand here to kind of stretch up my skin so it smooths it out and I don't like grab some of my skin and cut it off. It's not Halloween yet. So placing my hand here and just slowly just gonna start going down. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, so that's already smooth and nice. Now I'm going to do this side. Pimple or something, instead of like picking at it, I usually just grab my shaver and kind of just tear it off, and it literally just tears off like the very top layer of that little scar, and it doesn't do anything because it's already healed. I just want to make sure that the scar is like really dry. That's when I know I can take it off. So this side is pretty much done. I don't go super crazy and start shaving all this hair back here, and if you want to, you can, but I'm just gonna leave it here. Now I'm gonna shave my top lip here, my top lip area. Now that that's done, I'm gonna do my eyebrow. So there is that side there. My eyebrow, I kind of draw them in thick, and I kind of like them a little natural, so I don't really define them that much. I kind of just like to keep it like that. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe right now since I've done all my face except my nose, which I'm going to do last. Same thing, I'm just grabbing the skin, pulling it upwards a little bit. Sometimes if you feel like the blade is scratching you, it could be that one of the little small blades, I don't know if you guys see them here, but sometimes one of those little small blades on there does stick out. Like it can come out like that when you buy it. It's probably just messed up, or you can try to fix it and bend it back down. So my face is done. Once my face is completely done, it is shaved and all that, I do add some of my honeysuckle oil. I use it kind of like for my primer as well for my makeup. So here's the final result. My face has been shaved and it feels like a fresh new face. It's really nice, smooth. If your face starts getting irritated or you're bleeding because you keep cutting yourself, stop doing what you're doing. Go actually see a professional to see if they can do that facial for you. So this is the napkin here. As you can see, there's all my little hairs on it. If I do zoom in a little bit more, you can see there's like also a little bit of like dust, I want to say, like your top skin cells as well. Now let me zoom in on the blade itself so you guys can see. There's like dirt and like, you know, dead skin on there and a couple of hairs. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. My name is Alexis. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time.